In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically resize images in WordPress when uploading. Properly managing image sizes on your website is crucial for keeping your pages visually appealing while maintaining fast loading speeds. With WordPress, you can configure settings to resize images automatically, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your site. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or web developer, this quick tutorial will help you optimize your image uploads effortlessly. And if you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the WordPress website. Once you're on the home page, look for the login option in the top right corner of the screen and give it a click. To make the process even simpler, select the Continue with Google option. This is a great way to streamline your login since it allows you to use your existing Google credentials for authentication. When prompted, choose the specific Google account you'd like to use and complete the authentication steps. Once that's done, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the settings from your WordPress dashboard. Look for the settings option in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of configuration options. Within this menu, find and select the Media section. This is where WordPress stores all the configurable settings related to your image uploads. Next, we're going to configure the image sizes. In the Media settings, locate the section that displays options for different image sizes. Here, you'll see settings for thumbnails, medium-sized images, and large images. Adjust these dimensions based on your specific needs. For example, if you want your thumbnails to be smaller for a cleaner gallery view, you can reduce their width and height. On the other hand, if you need larger images for a featured content section, you can increase the dimensions accordingly. Customizing these sizes ensures that WordPress will automatically resize images to your preferred proportions as soon as you upload them, saving you from having to resize them manually later. Once you've made your adjustments, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This step is important because it permanently applies your new settings, ensuring that all future image uploads will follow these dimensions. As a final step, it's always a good idea to verify your settings. You can do this by uploading a test image to your WordPress media library. Check to see if the image displays in your chosen sizes across your site. Optimized images not only enhance your website's visual presentation, but also contribute to faster loading times, improving the user experience for your visitors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured WordPress to automatically resize images upon upload. This simple adjustment will save you time and help maintain a polished, professional look for your website. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.